I'm not gonna press any charges.
Okay.
She's a good mom.
You are under arrest at this time for battery FBA and 2 counts of cruelty to children. I'm gonna get cruelty to children in the 3rd because your babies were present.
In Georgia, the alleged victim of family violence does not decide whether charges proceed. Under OCGA Section 17.4.21, the state becomes the prosecuting party. This single legal principle controls the entire arrest sequence in today's footage.
Go ahead and take me to jail.
Hold on a minute. Turn around, face away from me.
That's what they want. They want
Listen.
me to go to jail.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
No, that's
You're
what
not.
they want.
Listen. You're not under arrest. I'm just detaining you for right now, okay?
They want me under arrest. Though.
Okay, well, I'm going to detain you just for now. Okay?
I'm just trying to get my children to a safe
I know.
place.
I know. Just hang tight.
That's right. My
Is that your
children are
babies?
crying. Yes, that's my
Okay.
babies crying.
Where are
for
they?
me.
Are you inside?
I don't know because they won't let me
Okay.
go.
Hang on one second.
That's my daughter crying for me. She's not a fan of
How did you get here?
I drove myself in this truck, the Chevrolet
Okay.
truck.
Hold on. I've got to fix your
No,
handcuffs.
you're fine.
How,
It was hours ago. It was
Okay.
probably around like 3 o'clock. And my boyfriend, the father of my children, was golfing, and I came here to his mother's house.
Okay. Hang on. Hang on. Don't move. Don't move.
I know. I'm sorry.
Tell me your name.
Abby Shoemaker.
Abby, I'm Deputy Salcedo, okay?
So say to myself.
Okay. I'm gonna go put you in my patrol vehicle, okay? Like I said, you're not under arrest, you're just detained for now, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and buckle you, okay? What happened to your leg?
I don't know. I got beat the shit out of my boyfriend's sister.
Your boyfriend's sister?
My eye. I don't know if you can see my eye.
A little bit, yeah. Open your eyes. Let me see. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I've had like 2 Trulies. 2 Trulies.
2 Trulies. Okay, do me a favor, face that way. I'm just gonna buckle you, okay?
I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize to me. I'm just out here. Y'all called me. You got some blood on you. Is that from you?
Yes, from my eye.
From your eye?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight in here, okay? Hi. Okay, I'm good. Okay, so can I talk to whoever called 911? Okay. Hey, I'm Deputy Salcedo with the Sheriff's Office. Okay. Tell me what happened.
All right. Well, that's my daughter-in-law.
Okay.
We were all playing golf. She came over here to meet us after golf.
Okay.
We had swimming in the pool with the kids and everything. Obviously, we all had a few Trulies and stuff.
Okay.
My son was talking about something about women, and she just flipped her lid.
Okay.
And
So
flipped.
was this your son
That's my son right there.
Okay, but is
Yes,
he...
that's the dad of
Okay.
both of them.
Have they
and
ever
that's
been,
her-
have y'all ever been married?
No,
Okay, so is it just boyfriend and girlfriend and have
For
a
10
child
years.
with the same...
for 10 years.
Okay.
And she just flips. Once she flips, you can't
Okay.
change her.
She's ready to go.
I've tried
We try to be
We've
responsible.
tried to respond.
I
Told
can't
her
drive.
she can't drive.
Ready to
That's
go
all.
meaning leave the
That's all.
house or fight?
She was ready to go home.
Okay.
Right, and we've obviously been drinking by the pool here.
Yeah.
So try to be responsible. Hey, like let's wait it
We're all
out.
staying
Try to
here.
sober up a little bit.
Yeah,
Right,
they have a
right.
room
You
to
know,
sleep in.
and she's struggled in the past with triggers and stuff like that, and
Yeah.
something must have triggered her with the with the alcohol.
I gotcha.
She's a great person. She's
Okay.
beautiful. She's having obviously an episode right now.
Okay, hang on one second. Let me...
Probably has no recollection of what's
I left the
going on.
window down first so she could get some air. Let me go roll that window up. Hang on one second. What's going on?
I just need some air.
I did give you air. That's why I rolled your window down.
I need like AC air.
Okay. Okay, I can do that. You're fine. I will get you some AC, okay? In the meantime, I need you to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. You're having an anxiety attack? Do you need me to call an ambulance to come check you out? You sure?
I have these all the time.
Okay.
I just need some AC. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
You're fine. I got you some AC, okay?
Thank you.
Listen, whatever you do to help with the anxiety, just do that, okay? There you go.
I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of her parents, and maybe they can come take her. Maybe.
So
That's
I need
not
to
your
figure
decision,
out,
Aaron.
right, I need to figure out what
You need to
happened
stop.
exactly, and if the child was present when it happened, I need to figure out all of
Yes.
those things, okay?
Baker acted a few times.
Baker acted, and that's in
And
Florida,
put-
right?
Huh?
Is that in Florida or here as well?
Oh, here.
Here? Okay.
Yeah, both children were inside when she started her episode,
Okay.
and then she attempted to get them in the truck, and we stopped it, and that's kind of what escalated it. So she was never in front of the kids.
What exactly happened? Because I know that she was hitting you at one point. Did she hit any of the kids?
No, she didn't hit anybody.
Okay.
It was just simply her wanting her kids.
Okay.
And feeling like we were stopping her from having her kids, but realistically, it was she's just having an episode. We've been drinking, obviously, by my mom's pool back in the backyard.
Right.
And obviously, we don't want to drink and drive.
Yeah.
So we're simply just.
Aaron, you know
my
what?
father-in-law took the kids.
Mommy's stepping in here. You're protecting her, and I'm tired of it.
That's fine.
Yes,
Hold on a minute. We're gonna separate.
You're protecting her, and you always do.
Here. Hold on a minute.
We're trying to
Tell me your name.
the most reasonable way possible.
Tell me your name.
I'm Aaron.
Aaron. Okay.
Yes,
I'm gonna come.
mother,
I'll go
obviously.
inside and talk to her in just a minute. Okay. If y'all do me a favor, just keep her inside.
It did get escalated.
I'll be right in there to talk to you. Okay. I'm okay. Thank you though.
Situation got escalated. Obviously,
Okay.
women, my mom got involved. It was a little heated.
Okay.
She's having an episode.
Okay.
We got the kids out of the situation. They were in the truck. We got them out of the truck. She's not a dangerous person. She's just having an episode.
She's screaming in your. Is she in the car?
Yeah, she is. I blasted the AC for her.
You know,
rolled the windows up.
She's just not herself right now, and we
I
got the
gotcha.
kids inside. She hasn't hurt anybody. She obviously needs help. So what's the next step? What do we do? You know, do I call her parents? Do they come get her?
Not right now. So, do you have your ID on you? Make sure that you don't have any
Of course. Yeah.
marks or anything like that.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Did you have some blood on that side? Is that from her or you?
Dude, honestly,
Your neck is pretty red.
is it a little red?
Can you pull your shirt down just a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
Did she hit you on your neck at any point?
Light shove, just
Okay.
simple
Pull it
argument.
down on that
You know,
side.
nothing more than just.
You got some
you know,
redness right there.
Yeah,
too.
just a little redness. Nothing violent.
Okay. You got a mark right there. Mm-hmm. Hey, Abby. What's going on?
I'm having anxiety attacks.
Okay. Do you want me to get a med unit?
I can't breathe.
Do you want me to get a med unit to come check you out?
I just can't. I don't want the door shut.
They're just gonna come check you out. Do you want them to?
No, it's gonna cost me a fortune. I just can't. The door's gonna be shut.
Doesn't.
I can't.
Abby,
The door's gonna be
listen.
shut. I promise.
Listen. It's not gonna cost you anything for them to come check you out. Do you want them to?
No, please.
Okay. Well, I need you to wait here, and I need you to quit screaming. Okay?
Please don't shut the door. I'm so
have to shut the door.
terrified. Please, like, strike the way. I can't.
I understand, but I have to keep it shut. I can't leave it open. Okay?
Okay, they call the medic. I can't.
Abby, how old are you?
I'm 29.
Okay.
I'm 20.
I think she's slamming her head down. I've got FVA.
Okay.
I've got battery FVA, I think. Or yeah, because he had some marks right here and on his neck. I just need to add the cruelty to the third with the babies.
I'll stay here for the med unit.
I'm gonna leave it unlocked for you.
That's fine. You need to chill out. Stop. Stop. Act like a grown up. Put your feet down.
Please don't shut the door, please.
You need to chill out.
Please don't shut the door, please. I can't breathe when the door shuts. Please, I'm begging you. I'm not trying to act like a child. I genuinely can't breathe when the door shuts.
How do you drive a car then?
Like a normal person with not f***ing cuffs on my back and my hands.
Okay, so what's that got to do with the door being shut?
I can't breathe.
Well, you need to just take deep breaths and calm down
I
for me.
can't. I've never been in this situation before. I have 2 little girls that depend on me.
Put your foot down. Lean back.
I'm not trying to be dramatic, please. I have 2 little girls that depend on me, and I am very fastidious with how I am. It's not fair that my boyfriend's family doesn't like me. There's a whole team against me and my kids who can't even speak for themselves. I'm not a bad mom. I have been taking care of my kids while their father has been doing whatever the f- he wants for the last year, and it isn't until the last couple of months that I have been so tired of being a single mom. I should have just stayed a single mom at my parents' house. I do everything for my kids while my f***ing boyfriend sits on his f***ing chair.
They were in the back. Anna started talking about, because they've been split up for a little bit. They've been together for 10 years, but off and on because of her condition. They just got back together and moved back in together. And he was talking about girls that he's dated, like how some women without children, and some women that how you can tell is she just flipped out.
What triggered
flipped out,
her?
like
Okay.
that trigger her. And she came out here, started grabbing the kids from the house, started loading the kids up. We thought she just came in the house.
Okay.
And then that's when my daughter was like, she's loading the kids up in the car, like she's leaving. And I was like, she is not leaving. She's been drinking. She's not leaving with the kids.
Right.
So my husband, that's when we were out here, and she was screaming and yelling about, she got into the driver's seat, and he went and ripped the keys out of the car.
Okay.
And then that's when she came out screaming, went after him. She was on the floor. Yeah. Went after him, saying that he's not going to take the keys from her. She's bringing her kids home. And then that's when my son came out and said, Abby, we can't not drive. We're drinking. We cannot drive. I said, you're not leaving my house drinking with those babies. Absolutely. You're not doing it. And she was like, don't you tell me what we're doing. And went off. And that's where it just...
Aaron, if you'll do me a favor, just stay inside, okay?
Okay.
And that's where it just escalated to where... He came out and told her we're not leaving, and she just went off. And she was hitting him, screaming and yelling in front of the kids. The kids were screaming and crying in the car.
Yeah.
Next minute, I know she's coming out with a knife and started coming after my daughter.
Was it like a kitchen knife or a pocket knife?
Where's the knife?
It's a construction knife.
Okay. He took it inside.
Like what?
I don't know if you want to go get
Give
it.
it to Aaron.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, if you don't mind. And who did she come after with that?
She was coming after my daughter, and that's when it kind of got a little in the yard, and she was like, trying to calm her down, and was in the yard trying to calm her down.
Yeah. Who got the knife away from her?
I don't even remember.
Someone.
Like, who got the knife away from her?
All I know is she said, I have a knife, and then...
It was escalating in the yard.
She was pretty much just running up the yard right here with a knife.
Okay.
And then whenever she got to about right here,
She lost it.
she saw the knife, and she
I never saw the knife. I actually heard her say, I have a knife.
Okay.
I didn't
And
know
was
for
like,
sure.
whoa.
But
Yeah.
whenever
The
she was
knife
like,
ended up being
if someone's
right
running at you with a
there.
knife, you're gonna,
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that's what she did, and then the knife flew, and then I told her to stop. She stopped and moved to the side, and then she came up here and was screaming.
Okay.
And he went
And then I
and
picked
got
up
the
the
knife
knife.
Okay.
and brought it in the house.
I don't know.
How did you feel
else?
when she was running towards you with the knife?
All I heard, honestly, was I have a knife, and kind of just put her to the ground.
You did?
Type
Okay.
Of thing.
Okay.
And I was like, you need to stop, and
Okay.
held her there, and she kept getting back up, and I was trying to hold her there again.
Okay.
And
Anybody know
I
what
never
a knife
saw
is?
the. I know that she had a knife, but I never.
It's black.
I never saw it.
So you just
Black.
reacted really and got her to the ground.
All I heard
Okay.
was knife, so that was my reaction.
Aaron's got the
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that Aaron.
Georgia is a directed arrest jurisdiction in family violence cases. When probable cause exists, the responding officer must arrest the primary aggressor. The legislative purpose is documented in decades of domestic violence research. Victims recant under fear, financial dependency, reconciliation, or direct coercion. Pre-reform statutes left arrest to officer discretion, producing inconsistent outcomes. Mandatory frameworks remove the choice from victims and from informal officer preference. The state, not the victim, becomes the named prosecuting party. Primary aggressor analysis is not a moral inquiry into who started the argument. It is a factual inquiry into who was the predominant physical aggressor. Officers weigh visible injuries, defensive wounds, comparative size, history, and credible fear. The doctrine prevents dual arrests of victims who used proportionate self-defense. Before reform, dual arrests routinely re-victimized survivors and chilled future reporting. Family violence battery under OCGA, Section 16523.1 requires 3 elements: intentional conduct, visible bodily harm or substantial pain, and a qualifying relationship. Qualifying relationships include spouses, former spouses, co-parents, and household members. Visible bodily harm includes blackened eyes, swollen lips, and substantial bruising. First conviction is a misdemeanor, up to 12 months and a $1,000 fine. Any subsequent conviction is automatically a felony, carrying 1 to 5 years in prison. Cruelty to children in the third degree is codified at OCGA Section 16570D. It applies when the primary aggressor intentionally allows a child to witness family violence. The child must be under 18. Each child present constitutes a separate count. No physical contact with the child is required. Presence and intent control. The legislative finding is that witnessing parental violence inflicts cognizable harm. Each count carries up to 12 months on a first offense, escalating thereafter. The deputy's charging decision excluded aggravated assault under OCGA Section 16521. Aggravated assault is a felony carrying 1 to 20 years. It applies when an assault uses a deadly weapon or object likely to cause serious injury. A construction knife qualifies as a deadly weapon under long-standing Georgia precedent. But conviction requires proof beyond reasonable doubt the weapon was directed at a specific person. When witness testimony fractures on brandishment, the targeting element cannot be proven. The deputy correctly charged what the evidence proves, not what the evidence suggests. Overcharging produces dismissals. Proportionate charging produces conviction.
That didn't stop her. Yeah, he's protecting.
That's okay.
He's going to do that.
I'll go get that.
And that's why I got pissed. I got mad. I'm sorry.
No, I understand.
Because he protects her all the time, and it's time.
Yeah.
It's time for her to get in trouble for what she does.
This is not the first
He has
time
gone through this so many times. She has beaten the crap out of him.
Okay.
So many times, and I'm just done with it.
Yeah.
I'm done.
This is the first time that I've witnessed it.
Yeah.
But I've heard about it a lot.
What kind of man would I be to let them leave?
No, you can't. That's. I mean, we can't let them leave.
Yeah, construction.
Even Aaron said we're not leaving. We're spending the night here.
No, you couldn't. No, y'all did everything correct.
And actually, she walked out to the car with the youngest, and I was the only one that walked out there with her.
Yeah.
And I was like, Abby, like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
And I was on the opposite end of her, and she was putting the youngest in the car.
Yeah.
I was like, what are you doing? And right when she looked at me, and her eyes were like cross-eyed, I was like, oh shit.
Right. Okay.
She just gets really like she's not there when stuff like this happens.
Right. And
so,
alcohol doesn't help
shut
at all.
Stop! You don't tell me what to do.
And that was
She played
it.
face with you coming out.
And that was
She
it.
played face. Don't trust her.
I gotcha. Yeah.
Like,
No,
that was it. Like
I've seen her in the car. It's okay.
So so she just kept on.
Okay.
Babies were screaming, crying in the car the whole time I was on dispatch.
Have y'all checked on them? Are they okay? Are they hurt at all?
No, they're not hurt. No, she would never do anything to hurt them.
Yeah.
No.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that she is gonna go to jail tonight for battery FBA against your son. There's no option for that, and cruelty to the third for both children. So 2 counts on that. And for you, did you in any way, shape, or form feel like you were in danger, or your life was in danger when she came at you with the knife? And did you want to press charges?
Honestly, it depends.
Okay. And it's totally your choice.
Charges, do both people go to jail? Like, is it like...
No, it's her. She's the offender.
Did you feel threatened by her? Did you feel like she could really do harm to you?
I don't feel threatened by her.
There's no reason to press charges.
Do you want to press charges?
But I just feel like when she came towards my family and said she had a knife, I felt like I had to do what I had to do.
Absolutely. Yeah. So just to be clear, you don't want to press charges. Okay. What about you, sir? I know that she came after you at one point.
Well, because I grabbed the keys.
Right.
I mean, like I said, what kind of man was I going to be if I let her drive? She had the car cranked up.
Yeah.
She had it cranked up.
It was
And you
started.
reacted.
It was started. So, I mean, I'm not going to press any charges.
Okay.
She's a good mom. She really is a good mom.
But she's not going to
She
leave
is a
with the
good mom.
babies drunk.
It's just, I feel like something has to happen for her to open her eyes and get on medication. Because they've already put her on medication and she won't freaking take it.
And if she left with those babies tonight and Aaron didn't go with her because she was drinking, she would have been frantic and she would have crashed that truck. She would have tried.
I mean, she's drunk. Yeah.
I love my children so much.
I don't think anyone's saying you don't. I don't even know what happened. I just pulled up with my partner, so I just need you to just keep breathing and calming down for me.
I just can't be in cold spaces and it makes me free. And for the last year, I have been at my family's house with my children while he does whatever he wants to do for the last year. And finally, I was so tired of being a single mom, and I love him to death. But he does not love me the same. So I'm hearing this from his sister beat the shit out of me tonight. Do you see my eye? I don't know if you can see my eye, but I have never been beat up before. I've never been in a cop before. Like I was a teacher. Like I am this, and that's not a facade. Like I feel like a f***ing mama bear that just wants to. Oh, this hurts so bad. Please, is there any way just to like I don't know. I'm not trying to escape. I know what I've done wrong. I've really never been in this position before, except for the first time I smoked pot when I was 15 years old. I just want what's best for my children. I just wanted to go home so they could sleep in their own beds instead of sleeping at their drunk Mimi's house.
What was your name again?
Abby.
Abby, this is Abby. She's complaining of a panic attack.
And my head hurts.
And her head hurts.
Really bad. I got beat the You can't see it and I can't show you, and I'm a snotty mess and I apologize for that.
You ever had something like this happen before, Abby?
No, I have children. I don't do anything. I just wanted to get home with my kids, and obviously I'm not able to drive. And so my family thought this was a better solution.
You ever wipe your face off for you, Abby?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm going to start my periods. I'm like super emotional.
Yeah, don't leave your hair out your face.
Listen, guys, on the right side of my head.
Your right or my right?
You're right. Wait, my right. My
Like,
right.
fighting you on?
No.
Pressure's good. O2's good. I mean, I don't see any pressing issue right now. Okay. Alright, sounds good, okay? I don't think anybody does.
Can't help you there.
My yellow lab's right there, but she's
sweet.
She's sweet. Just go.
Don't go to the horse down there.
There's a horse down there. Like
I won't go down there.
Mastiff.
Hi. What's this one's name?
Gracie.
Hi, Gracie.
She's blind.
Hi, baby. Come on, let's go inside. Hey, Erin. Hi, babies.
Okay, Charlie.
So I'm understanding correctly. Everything happened by the truck, right? Correct. Okay. Is that where she was grabbing on you? And
Yeah, I mean, she was trying to get her kids home, and she was obviously out of sorts.
right. And are they okay?
They're fine. They're good.
None of them are hurt.
No, absolutely not.
You know what's really funny? Is that my boyfriend's sister gets to leave here drunk all the f***ing time, which I don't condone any of it. And I'm glad that they stopped me, because I wouldn't have wanted anything to happen to my f***ing girls or me, because they can't f***ing live without me. But I just think it's funny that they would go to this lengths for me to not get in a car, but for their own f***ing daughter who drives drunk all the f***ing time. I just have to let go of some anguish, which is not your problem or your, but thank you for listening, even if you're not listening.
No, I'm listening.
I'm gonna go back and give these to them. We just have to cut these off of them.
Oh, thank you.
One for each of them.
Thank you.
Just call the jail, probably tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And go from there.
Thank you.
Yep. Y'all take care.
All right. I appreciate it. Be safe.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know, but honestly, I would much rather be taken than have to stay here.
So what happened tonight?
We were drinking, and usually this happens like every weekend. We always all come over here, we hang out by the pool, we drink. Everybody starts to leave, and usually Aaron, my boyfriend, the husband or the father of my children, is usually on my side with us leaving at the same time. And his sister started to get a little nasty with me, so I just walked away and I started to load my kids, which I understand I should not be driving. I get that 100%. I honestly don't know what happened after that. I loaded my kids. Next thing I knew, I was on the ground, and my boyfriend's family is fighting me, which is unlike them, because like I said, his sister leaves here all the time drunk as shit, which I don't condone that whatsoever, and I'm so glad I did not leave here drunk.
Right.
But this has never happened. They've never called the cops on her. Sorry, I'm being drama.
You're fine, I get it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, you are under arrest at this time for battery FBA and 2 counts of cruelty to children. I'm gonna get cruelty to children in the 3rd because your babies were present. So, 3 counts, okay? Deep breaths. Deep breaths. It doesn't mean that you hurt them. It just means that they were present, okay? Okay? Okay, we're gonna go to the jail in just a few minutes, okay? Alright. Ready? I'm gonna unbuckle you, okay?
Yes, thank you. I have my shoes.
And you're just gonna go straight ahead to that green door right there.
Miranda warnings are required only for custodial interrogation. Both elements must coexist. Neither custody alone nor questioning alone triggers the duty. Custody under Berkemer versus McCarty means restraint equivalent to formal arrest. Handcuffs inside a locked patrol vehicle plainly satisfies the custody prong. Interrogation under Rhode Island versus Innis includes words reasonably likely to elicit incrimination. Conversational welfare questions occupy a gray zone Georgia courts examine case by case. Volunteered statements, not prompted by questioning, remain admissible regardless of warnings. Salinas versus Texas confirms silence alone does not invoke the Fifth Amendment. Invocation requires the explicit verbal assertion, "I am invoking my right to remain silent." Without invocation, a defendant's silence may itself become evidence at trial. City of Canton versus Harris holds that deliberate indifference to medical needs triggers liability. Section 1983 is the federal civil rights statute authorizing damages against state actors. An acute panic attack inside a locked vehicle qualifies as a serious medical need. Officers must offer evaluation, document refusals, and provide environmental accommodation. Each step closes a future liability door before it can open. Deputy Salcido earns an A-. Investigation methodical, charging proportionate, medical accommodation textbook. Single deduction is a brief lapse in tone during the subject's acute distress. The subject earns a D. Non-violent and remorseful, but she waived her Fifth Amendment protection through continuous speech. Every uninvoked sentence became prosecutorial evidence. The intervening family earns a B+. They prevented impaired driving with minors present and did not obstruct the investigation. 3 legal lessons emerge from this footage. First, in mandatory arrest jurisdictions, the victim's wishes do not bind law enforcement. Refusing to press charges affects sentencing leverage, never probable cause. Second, the right to silence must be invoked verbally, never assumed to be self-executing. Speaking to officers is the most common cause of preventable conviction in misdemeanor cases. Third, charging decisions must follow provable evidence, not provocative fact. Officers reaching for the highest available charge often lose convictions they could have secured. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss below. Thank you for watching.